All right, let's dive right in. We're going to tackle a huge question today. Can you actually get a handle on AI without learning how to code? Let's find out. So let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like AI is this locked box? You know, like some exclusive club where you need a secret password, and that password is Python code? Well, a lot of people feel that way. But I'm here to tell you, that lock isn't just broken. It's been blown wide open. For what feels like forever, there's been this thing we can call the Great Coding Wall. It's this massive, intimidating barrier that separated the AI wizards from, well, the rest of us. It really felt like if you didn't speak the language of algorithms, you were just stuck on the outside looking in. But check this out, because this is where everything starts to change. On the one hand, you've got the old school view, this is what built that wall, right? The idea that you needed a PhD, you had to be a Python guru, you had to love advanced math. But now, look at what's happening. The real need, the emerging need, is shifting. It's not so much about being the person who can build the machine anymore. It's about being the person who knows how to direct it. Companies are desperate for people with strategy, people who understand the real-world impact, people with deep expertise in their own fields. This is a total game changer.
And that shift is exactly what we're exploring today. It's all about moving our thinking beyond the code itself. And here's the crucial point. Think about it. If the only people who understand AI are the engineers who build it, we create this massive, massive bottleneck. It's like saying only car mechanics are allowed to drive cars. It just doesn't work. Every single industry, I'm talking marketing, healthcare, finance, you name it, needs leaders, managers, and creatives who get the concepts and can steer these incredibly powerful tools.
So the big question is, how do you do that? How do you get there? Well, the secret isn't learning a new coding language. Nope. It's about learning a new way to think. It's about learning to think with AI as a partner. And this brings us to the core skill we all need now, AI literacy. Let's be super clear about what this is. It has pretty much nothing to do with writing code. It's all about grasping the big ideas, knowing how to apply AI strategically to solve real problems, and maybe most importantly, being smart enough to question what it spits out.
Okay, so this isn't just some vague idea. We can actually break it down into a super practical 4-step process. First, you've got to frame the problem correctly. What are you even trying to solve? Second, you need a basic grasp of the data going in. You know, garbage in, garbage out, right? Third, you have to be able to interpret what the AI gives you back. And finally, step 4, you evaluate the outcome. Did it actually work in the real world? That's it. That's the framework for thinking with AI. All right, theory is great, but let's get practical. How do you actually do this stuff? It's time to open up your no-code toolkit. And you know what the best part is? You don't need to go out and buy some crazy expensive software or go back to school for a computer science degree. Seriously, the tools you need to build your AI literacy are way more accessible than you probably think. In fact, I'd bet you're already using some of them and don't even realize it. I mean, look at all these options. You've got drag-and-drop machine learning platforms where you're literally just moving blocks around on a screen. Think about all the AI-powered features already baked into the business software you use for work every single day. There are public AI models you can play with for free right now. And there are tons of fantastic online courses that completely skip the code and focus entirely on strategy. Seriously, the barrier to entry has just collapsed. Okay, let's bring this all home. We've talked about the what and the how, but now let's talk about the big one. Why does this matter so much right here, right now? Get ready for this number, 75%. And no, that's not some wild guess about the future. That's the percentage of companies right now actively hunting for managers and leaders who have AI literacy skills. This isn't a trend that's coming. It's already here. It is a massive career opportunity that's just sitting on the table today. And this quote just nails it. The whole game is shifting. It's not about the mechanics of how to code the machine anymore. It's about the vision of what to do with it and the wisdom of why we're doing it. The real power, the real value, is in being able to wisely direct this technology.